Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's golden time, and actually, you know what time it is. It is time to open a Destined Rivals ETB. We just got this today. Matthew's trying to master the set, so we're gonna rip it open. Honey Bear's here, and she's gonna rip open some packs with us. Are you excited? She has her own collection going. Actually, all of us, this whole family, has our own binders. Matthew's actually pretty close to mastering this set already. We traded for one of the cards that he was looking for at the card show that we went to. We recently posted that vlog. Check it out if you haven't already. There's still some cards, even just some commons, that he needs to complete the set. He's been using the guide to kind of cross off what he already has, and so hopefully we get some more of those commons and we get all the hits, and maybe we can complete a master set together too, Honey Bear. So without further ado, let's tear this open. Matthew can do the honors.
Yeah. You like that, Granola? You don't know?
I don't know.
I think you did. You might not. I think you did. One that stuff won't be all crossed out on.
Yep.
Like that, actually.
You like that you have the one you cross out and the one that you don't, all pristine?
Yeah, but knowing me, I'll probably end up trying to make a second master set because I have so much bulk. Alright, here we go.
Don't mind Matthew's beautiful knees.
Oh.
You can see Gengar.
Gengar. Oh, you can't really see Gengar. You can kind of see Gengar.
I see Gengar.
He's there.
Gengar, hairy.
Don't worry about that. Alright, grab a pack, dude.
Gang hair.
Where's mine?
I gotta open it for you. This one's yours.
Oh.
I'm going to
Come over here,
open it
honey.
over here. I'm gonna scoot some
Winona's
stuff
pack has
over.
been opened. Come stand.
Meet. Okay. Sorry. We had some technical difficulties. I have not taken my cards out yet. Let's start with Mom. I'm sorry. You can be next.
Her pack's right here. Here, take your cards out.
Oh, so cute.
Take your cards. Hey, wait. No, you gotta do it on camera, honey, bro. You gotta pull it up here, where the light is. And then put the cards down right here. Whenever you got them done. Put them down right here.
Okay.
I'm trying to show the camera.
And you put it down right here, and it'll be on the camera. Nice. The Team Rocket's Meowth. Nice.
I got a full art.
Holy, she did get a full art.
Hey.
Second master set confirmed, because we already have that hit. Just send one to get graded. Now I do a OP with my teeth. Not the teeth, bro. Your trash over here in the trash pile.
Hello, baby.
Alright, go and stop shaking the table, please. Thank you. Wax.
Toilet paper. I'll
Those
pick
cards.
from the middle because that's how I like to do it.
Just put them on the top of the pile, baby.
Ooh. Hold your horses.
Boom.
Oh, I love those realistic ones.
Boom.
You can have that one. I have 8 of them.
Boom. Boom. Boom.
Oh, you got the Grimmsnarl EX. I actually need that for the master set. Great job.
I can
Hey,
trade you that.
You
Show
can
everybody.
trade me that?
Yeah.
show everybody.
You have to trade me something good that I
I'll
like.
trade you something, don't worry. Or the one with the luck right now.
No, so far she's getting the best cards.
Yeah, she got the EX too.
I even got a full art.
Yeah, you did get a full art.
Daddy's going to trade me a full art for that one because he needs it too.
Yeah, I need all the Team Rocket cards, but I'll give you whatever you pull in return equal back.
Yeah, get.
You can look at what you got, no? Look at Cyndaquil.
I love him.
I know.
Yeah! Also
Yay.
needed for the master set. And I did
That's-
not get the Mewtwo EX box, and I was literally telling myself, bro, I should have got the Mewtwo EX box because I need the Mewtwo EX for the master set. Here we are, dude. Honestly,
Nice.
the EXs have been a little bit more rough than the full arts on this set. I've been having an easier time with full arts.
Sick.
That's not the Mewtwo I was talking about, though. If we could pull the other Mewtwo, that would be phenomenal. Maybe I shouldn't have been so vague, but let's be more specific. We want the Mewtwo.
Is this mine?
Yes. We don't open 3 or 4.
Open 3.
Another one we needed for the master set. What do you know?
Look at us.
It's a good box.
I felt it in my jellies.
Did I just hear the
Is
front
that
door
what
open?
Shrek says? No, that was Bryn's room.
Oh, that tripped me out for a second.
Oh, dropped me off.
Wow.
Zapdos is cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so
You crushed it, honey bear. Knuckles.
anti-April.
What? Let me see. Beautiful.
Needed for the master set. Needed for the master set.
Love it.
I just threw something at you. I think it was a master set card too. Needed for the master
Beautiful.
set. This is not the Mewtwo we wanted to pull. We obviously want the Giovanni's Mewtwo.
Yeah.
And then this is the second Houndoom.
Nice.
This is my
I like
favorite.
that art.
Yeah, I like this one too. When I saw this one, it was the first time I saw this one. Actually, somebody was like a little kid. I don't know why I said it like that. A little kid came into GameStop and he got 2 packs of Destined Rivals, and that was it. And he came back like 5 minutes later and he's like, "Can I have a sleeve?" And I was like, "I mean, what'd you pull?" And he pulled this. And I was like, "That's sick, actually. Yeah, I'll give you a sleeve." And I pulled one out of my fanny pack and gave it to him. But it really did depend on what he pulled.
Matthew's gonna put these in some sleeves. I just wanted to show you guys the promo. Oh, getting in each other's way a little bit.
You're right.
Can I
There's
tell you
that.
that I want to put in my binder?
Of
Maybe
course,
we'll do
we've
that
got
in a little bit.
Okay.
this. And the sleeves are pretty cool. Really cool, actually. So there it is. Thanks for watching, you guys.
Yeah, welcome.
And I hope you get to catch the Pokemon that you're looking for.
Mewtwo eludes us.
Thanks for watching. Bye.